This is dysprosium. It's one of the lanthanides with atomic number 66. It's a rare earth element with a beautiful silvery lustre. But what made this fascinating and hard to refine substance jump in value from $7 per pound in 2003 to $130 per pound by the end of 2010? And what made the US Department of Energy declare it as the single most important critical element for clean energy technologies? The answer will tell you everything you need to know to make dysprosium your next great investment call. Look around you. Our towns and cities are alive with technology. It's a new industrial revolution, but this time it's not powered by coal or steel, it's driven by communication. And where before the infrastructure was the road and the rail, now it's the laptop, the satellite, the mobile phone. And the story of the astonishing success of the mobile communications industry is also the story of dysprosium. The name dysprosium is taken from the Greek word meaning hard to get at. It doesn't occur naturally on its own, and because of that it was only discovered as recently as 1886. But it wasn't isolated in its pure form until the development of ion exchange techniques in the 1950s. Today, it's mined in much the same way as gold, and amazingly, China is the exporter of about 99% of the world's supply. Dysprosium has some very strange magnetic properties, and it's these that make it so attractive to industry. Its early uses were in things like turbines and reactor cores, right at the forefront of technology in the last century, truly on the very boundary of science and imagination. But the real growth in demand for dysprosium came when the components themselves started to shrink. Think electronics and you have to think of magnets. But with something as light and delicate as a compact disc, a traditional iron magnet would be too heavy. Imagine carrying a block of it around in your mobile phone. Well, dysprosium solves that problem. It's lightweight enough to fit in everything from hard disks to lasers. So what's the future for dysprosium? It's gone from the reactor cores of the 20th century to the electric car fuel cells of the 21st. It's been driving industry forward since the 1950s, and now its foot is firmly on the accelerator. And consider this, there are going to be 9 billion mobile phones in use by 2017, and there will be a little piece of dysprosium in each and every one of them. So, if you're looking for a great new trading call, the answer is already in your pocket.